Speedy Wild Rice and Salmon Salad. This tangy salmon salad will be ready in 15 minutes, and all you need is Tasmanian salmon, microwavable brown, red and wild rice medley, oranges, pomegranate ARILS and mint leaves. Start by preheating a frying pan over medium heat. Spray it with olive oil spray and season the salmon with salt and pepper. Cook the salmon for 2 minutes each side for medium or until it's cooked to your liking. Transfer to a plate and set aside for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, heat the rice in the microwave for 90 seconds, following the directions on the packet. Pour the rice into a large heatproof bowl and let it cool for 5 minutes. Peel and cut the oranges into segments using a small sharp knife. Make sure you do this over a bowl to catch the juice. Then use 2 forks to flake the salmon into large pieces. Combine the rice, salmon, orange segments, pomegranate ARILS and some torn mint leaves in a large bowl. Drizzle with the orange juice to serve. Make this your go-to salmon salad for midweek meals and easy entertaining. For the full recipe, see the description below.